Chapter 4. Agriculture. Point to remember. Types of farming. 1. Primitive subsistence farming. Practiced on small patches of land. Primitive tools used like hoe, dhow and digging sticks. This type of farming depends upon monsoon and natural fertility of soil. Slash and burn farming. Example jamming. 2. Intensive subsistence farming. Practiced in areas of high population pressure on land. Labor-intensive farming. High doses of biochemicals and irrigation are used for higher production. Landholding size is uneconomical. 3. Commercial farming. The use of higher doses of modern inputs like herbicides, fertilizers, pesticide and insecticides. Plantation is a type of commercial farming. Tea, coffee, sugarcane and banana plantation are examples of commercial farming. Understanding cropping seasons in India. 1. Rabi crop season. Sowing period, October to December. Harvesting period, April to June. Examples: wheat, barley, peas, mustard. Major producers: Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand. 2. Kharif crop season. Sowing period, May to July. Harvesting period, September to October. Examples: paddy, rice, bajra, pearl millet, tur, pigeon pea, maize, corn, sugarcane. Major producers: Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. 3. Z crop season. Sowing period, April to June. Examples: watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber. Major crops. 1. Food crops, wheat, rice, maize, pulses, oilseeds. 2. Cash crops, tea, rubber, coffee, jute, cotton. 3. Horticulture crops, fruits, flowers, vegetables. Major crops and climatic conditions. Crop, rice. Sowing period, June to July. Harvesting period, September to October. Temperature, above 25 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall, above 100 centimeters. Major producing states: West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab. Crop, wheat. Sowing period, November to December. Harvesting period, April to May. Temperature, 21 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall, 50 to 75 centimeters. Major producing states: Eastern Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Crop, maize. Sowing period, June to July. Harvesting period, September to October. Temperature, 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall, 50 to 100 centimeters. Major producing states: Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Crop, sugarcane. Sowing period, January to March. Harvesting period, December to March. Temperature, 0.21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall, 75 to 100 centimeters. Major producing states: Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Crop, tea. Sowing period, April to June and October to December. Harvesting period, every 7 to 12 days. Temperature, 21 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall, 150 to 200 centimeters. Major producing states: Assam and West Bengal. Crop, cotton. Sowing period, differs in different parts of the country. Harvesting period, differs in different parts of the country. Temperature, 21 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall, 50 to 120 centimeters. Major producing states: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka. Crop, jute. Sowing period, sown in February on lowlands and in March to May on uplands. Harvesting period, July to October. Temperature, above 25 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall, 160 to 200 centimeters. Major producing states: West Bengal, Assam and Bihar. Farming process: 1. Ploughing. 2. Sowing. 3. Irrigation. 4. Weeding. 5. Manuring. 6. Spraying of insecticides. 7. Harvesting. 8. Threshing. 9. Grain. Rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but in Odisha, it is a subsistence crop. Plantation is a type of commercial farming. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. Important plantation crops in India: tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. Rice is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India. Our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. In states like Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year. These are Oz, Aman and Boro. Wheat is the second most important cereal crop. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. Maize is a crop which is used both as food and fodder. Jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in India. Though these are known as coarse grains, they have very high nutritional value. Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane only after Brazil. Groundnut production in the world: China, first; India, second; and in rapeseed production Canada. First, China, second, and India, third in the world. In 2020, China first and India second in tea production in the world. In 2013, India was the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world after China. Crop rotation: growing different crops on a piece of land to increase the productivity and fertility of land. Slash and burn farming: shifting cultivation. Farmers clear a patch of land and produce cereals and other food crops to sustain their family. After decrease of soil fertility, farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. Name of slash and burn agriculture in India and other parts of the world. In India, Madhya Pradesh Bewar or Dahiya, Andhra Pradesh Podu or Penda, Odisha Pamdabia, Koman or Bringer, Western Ghats Kumari, Southeastern Rajasthan Val or Walter, Himalaya Belt Khil, Jharkhand Kuruva, Northeastern region Jamming, Manipur Pamlau, Andaman or Nicobar Island Dipper. In world, Mexico and Central America Milpa, Venezuela Conuco, Brazil Roca, Central Africa Masol, Indonesia Ladang, Vietnam Ray. White Revolution: to improve the breeds of animals for the growth in milk production with the use of modern technology. It is also called Operation Flood. Green Revolution: based on the uses of HIV seeds, modern technology, fertilizers, pesticide and insecticides to increase production, especially wheat production. Jute is known as the golden fiber.